The Hulk.
The Hulk. Oh, he's awesome.
You will not like him when he's angry.
Yeah.
He is really, really scary looking as a zombie.
He is. He looks older. His face is kind of shriveled up.
Yeah. He's like, I'm really nice. I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. I like keep Bobble's well.
No, I could totally see him being a nice guy, but then when the kids get on his lawn, he turns the whole, get off of my lawn!
That's right. What are you doing, kids?
Yeah. Don't go on my lawn. You won't like me when you go on my lawn.
Yeah. He stepped in something on his lawn, and now he's not happy about it.
Alright, thank you one more time to Funko for sending us this case of Marvel Zombies. We ended up getting the entire collection of them, including all the Chase figures, which was super awesome. Let's take a look.
We have a cat foot, too.
We do. Here's the rest of the cat. Provides a good backdrop for the figures.
Yes.
Alright, Shannon, let's pick our favorite regular figure and our favorite Chase figure.
Okay. I am going to go with... My favorite regular is going to be Deadpool.
Deadpool, favorite regular. Okay.
Right there.
Right.
My favorite Chase figure, I think I'm going to go with Wolverine in the grayscale version.
Nice pick. Okay, I'm going to go with Magneto as my favorite regular figure.
Nice.
My favorite Chase figure... Oh, this is tough. Oh, they don't make much Gambit stuff. I want to go with Gambit, but not in the grayscale. I'm going to go with the Phoenix as my favorite Chase figure.
Okay, cool.
How about you guys? Which one of these did you like the best? Leave a comment down below. Let us know. Leave the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit the share button. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That will make you part of the PS Toy Reviews crew, where Jack will sleep through a zombie attack. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.